Rabbit eats Goat Simulator. Bye-bye. Bye-bye my life. Goat going blue streak? What the heck? What the heck? What? Oh, oh my, yeah, oh my god. Look at that bug. Oh my gosh. Boost. Boost. Here we go. Ready? No. Up. Jump. Go. Yes. Yes. Yeah. That's ragdoll physics. No freaking way. Oh my goodness. This is automatically one of my favorite games. My dog is the most annoying thing ever. Oh my! What? Did I just land? Oh, wait, what is this? Bow down to me, peasants. There we go. That's music. Good bowing down to me. Ready? This is going to be very loud. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go to the Pentagon. People said in the comments that there's a low gravity testing facility. I've been here before. It doesn't say a nice thing. I swear, it says something really weird when you enter it. So you might want to look away where I look through here because it says something not very good. I'm even scared to go through here. I don't even know what happens. Alright, I'm just going to climb up here. I think it says the police. Because you walk in, ooh, get out the way. Here we go. What the heck is my life right now? It's a goat. Why does it say that? For a goat walking through an area? It says that when a goat walks through an area. What's my life? Don't you what? No! You can ragdoll skate, but they blocked it off. They freaking blocked it off. You can't, ragdoll skate! My life is complete. Go. Whoa. You can hit the boxes. I have to get a good speed. Go. Here we go. Whoa! If you leave here, does it say the same thing? No, it doesn't. Was me. Oh, where's that cart sliding around? There's a glitch that I remember. There's a robot in there. Oh. Ladder, goat. What is the sequel? Ladder, go. Why are you so random? I think that's from I don't know what it's called. I looked it up once and it's called, that's a robot, isn't it? It's called Dubfish. It says like something about a ladder goat. And I said ladder goat, why are you so random? No! Ooh, can I bounce up there? I swear I might be able to. Why does it have the most creepy music in the world? That noise. I'm just gonna have to jump for it. Where's the robot? There's the robot. I'm gonna have to jump on it, I swear I'm gonna have. Okay, I'm just gonna go up to it. Jump, my pretty. Gas station! This is like one of those movies where was that monster that roars next to a nuclear bomb that goes black. Ready? Ready? Ooh, go battle, go battle, go battle! I need to beat these little turtles. Go. Here. What are you doing? Sacrificing ghosts? Die, your turn. It's all of them, isn't it? What did I do? What happened? Did I win? Trophy! Trophy. What the heck? Don't you feel like a strong goat? Get on my way. Yes, here he is, Hillbilly. I think that's his name. Like, where's the spot? Here it is, I found the spot. Thank you. Big. It's like the worst name I've ever seen. No! Get back, get back. Yeah, owned by Hillbilly. Don't kill him quite yet. I was owned by Hillbilly again. What kind of name is Hillbilly? What do you want to hail him as Billy? Right there, ready? You killed him! Well, it looks like we end it here for the weirdest game